Hey guys, T here. I've got a bunch of marking gauges like this and they just work great. This one has a cutter in it and works best across the grain. And I got another one that's got a pin, a metal pin in it, and that works better with the grain. I want one that's got a pencil in it, just like this. So we're gonna make one. We got a dowel from our hardware store. We got some piece of hardwood. It doesn't take much. We're gonna make this boy, I think, in 15 minutes. Let's see. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Let's get to work. Works great. One-handed. So there's our little marking gauge, made out of just some stuff we had in the shop. We're going to give it a little bit of maybe shellac and some wax to protect the surface, but it's great and it doesn't take long to make. So thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe. See you next time.